Hi, good day everyone. This is Michael Lanfield, author and YouTuber and a spiritual coach, also known as a spiritual life coach. And all my work is sponsored by Evolution Diet. If you need vegan pet food, get it from Evolution Diet, the most complete nutrition for your companion animals. Evolution Diet Pet Food at petfoodshop.com. That's petfoodshop.com. We're here on Pixabay, and I was told this about 2 years ago from a friend. He told me about this website, and I was so adamant. I'm like, no, it's not a good website. I love Flickr. It's the best thing ever. And then when I started to do more research, I started to realize that Pixabay is like one of the best websites for getting almost any free image for use for anything. It's royalty free. You pay not even 1 penny for it. And it's like the greatest thing, one of the greatest things ever. I love this website because it provides you with images and even uh, videos. Though, of course, there's not many videos yet, but the images are superb. They have over 1.8 million images. Now, I would highly recommend, if you have a decent camera, to upload the images to Pixabay. But they have, of course, requirements. So you have to have at least, I think it's like 2 or 3,000 pixel on one side of the image, at least. So you have to go to their you have to go and learn more about what images you're allowed to they accept, and it also cannot be blurry as well. So it's basically free. All you need to do is like sign up for an account, and you can save your images, or you can you can even share them, or you can donate to the author of the image, and you can use the images for even commercial uses, and you don't need to credit anybody unless you want to. Okay. Now, I would of course recommend that you credit. I usually credit people by just saying I'm using most of my images from for the book from Pixabay. So I credit Pixabay actually. I don't credit the individual artists, even though I should. It's not really good, but yeah, I credit Pixabay. Okay, so why is Pixabay so good? Because it gives you almost 2 million images and videos, and it's from individuals, and it's also you can use it for the videos and the images for anything, even for commercial uses, and that's why I love Pixabay. Now, if you search for something cars, okay, let's search for cars. So we're searching for cars. We get, let's say, this car, okay, this taxi cab, this image. So there's different options that you can do. You can search for different options: images, video, graphic, orientation, the categories, sizes, what minimum size you want, what color of image you want. Now, just to let you know, if you do not upload 10 images, there will be ads on top and on the bottom of the screen. Okay. Now, I never uploaded images yet because my camera is just not good enough for uploading to Pixabay. So, anyways, you click on one, for example, and it will tell you the information, the attribution, the license, free for commercial use, no attribution required. If you want to learn more, click on that. There's also other related images. These are also paid images. You can see sponsored images from iStock and the information here about the resolution of the image as well as the camera. Now it doesn't tell you the DPI or the PPI. It should, but it just doesn't tell you. And then also how many downloads and how many views it has. Okay. So that's really about it. You just click here, you choose whatever resolution you want. I would suggest choosing the biggest resolution as much as possible, and then you can use it for whatever you like. Because the bigger it is, the higher quality it's going to be. Okay. So go back. For example, this is the largest size, 5,450 by 3,623 pixel, and the size in space on your computer will be 5.6. So you can view it or you can download it. It's up to you, whatever you like. So this is a very good website. I really like it. You can upload your own images again, but there has to be these are the specifications. Maximum 40 megabytes with at least 3,000 pixel along on one side. Okay. And the resolution for videos, this, and the maximum of 300 megabytes. Okay. And then there's also, wow, they even have music. Can you imagine? I don't know why. I don't know why it doesn't show music here, but wow. I haven't heard this before. Maybe they're talking about music in the actual videos. I'm not sure what they mean. But anyways, you can so you need to upload at least 10 images or videos in order to get rid of all the ads, which is great, actually. Yeah, I like that. In my profile, this is my profile. I have a neat profile. So that's really about it, everybody. Thanks for joining me. And don't forget to visit Pixabay. I'm not making any money from this. I'm not sponsored by them. But please do go to pixabay.com. Now, again, a lot of these free sites, just one note before I leave. A lot of these free sites, it's going to be hard to find the exact image that you want, maybe. So you have to use a lot of different search keys, if you're looking for mountains, you're not just going to put in mountains. You're going to put in landscape, nature, forest, snow, different search terms, basically. Now, there is even a lot of vegan search terms as well. If you go to vegan, for example, and search, you'll be able to find, see, look, 3,500 images for anything that's vegan, basically. If you put in here, go vegan, it's probably going to search for go vegan. There you go vegan. So there you go. Now, I found when I'm searching for certain items, specific items, it's hard to find because sometimes I search like very specific, like I'm looking for something very specific. And a lot of times these free websites don't have a lot of very, very specific images or videos. Like videos is really lacking. I think videos in this website is really, really lacking. There's not many good videos. So if you want some videos, you can also check out archive.org. And there's also a lot of free videos on there as well in archive.org. So you can check that out. This is a very good website where I uploaded some of my content to. Archive is a website that has all kinds of information. It's basically a library of information. Okay? So that's really about it for this video. I give Pixabay, out of 10 stars, I give them probably 8.5, maybe 9 stars out of 10. Because they're not perfect. They don't have all the images that I'm looking for. They don't have a lot of videos. And sometimes the images are just not perfect. I need something specific, and they just don't have, even though they have almost 2 million photos and videos, sometimes they just don't have specifically what I need. So that's the only drawback. And yeah, I really love them. What can I say? You can have a chance to get rid of all the ads on the website. You can have a chance to upload your images for free. So many options, you know. It's really good. I like this website, Pixabay, and they also have a sister website as well called, I think it's called Pexels or something, Pexels. But yeah, Pexels has, I think, better videos. Let me see, pexels.com. I think they have better and more videos, Pexels, but they also have different licenses. Okay, so just to let you know, they're the different licenses, but most of the videos you're able to use for commercial purposes. Okay, so that's really about it for this video, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I'm Michael Landfield. I give Pixabay 9 stars, and I give Pexels, which is a sister website of Pixabay, I give them 9 stars as well, because they have just better content of videos than Pixabay. But I haven't really used them for their um, their images, because I think they're mostly for videos. Okay, they're mostly for videos, but they do also have some photos, as I say, search for free photos and videos, but they don't specify how many photos and videos they have on their website. So, oh, you have moving videos just showing like that. Wow. So there's a lot of imagery and videos. See, look, moving, even without you clicking. That's cool, or hovering. But anyways, that's about it, everybody. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, if you find that someone that you know can find it useful, share it around with them. And don't forget to like this video and share it around with everybody. And subscribe to my email newsletter and to my YouTube channel. And that's really about it. And don't forget to get my books as well. And yeah, I think that's about it now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.